Hello everyone, my name is Nitik Sharlesh. I am studying in first standard B section. My admission number is 3499. Today I am gonna make apple pie protein bar. To make this we need ingredients: apple, almonds, raisins, cashew nut, dates, cinnamon powder. Now we have to cut the apple into thin slices. We have to arrange the apple in the oven tray. Now we have to keep this tray in the preheated oven and bake it for 2 hours at 200 degrees Celsius. Now our dried apple is ready. See? Now take all the ingredients in the food processor and grind it into coarse powder. Now grind it into coarse powder like this. Then you can make square shape, rectangle shape, triangle shape, and apple shape, even smiley. Now you can enjoy yummy apple protein bar. Yum yum yum.